In this tutorial, we will study how electric field is calculated when we are given some potential function. It is very easy. What we have to do, we have to make use of the relationship between electric field and the potential, as shown in equation 1. In equation 1, E stands for the electric field vector. We measure it in volts per meter. The symbol looking like a inverted triangle, it is called as nebula, or we call it del operator. In Cartesian coordinates, nebula is defined as shown in equation 3. This del operator is equal to I unit vector times partial derivative with respect to x plus j unit vector times partial derivative with respect to y plus k unit vector partial derivative with respect to z. And this V, it is the potential. We measure it in volts. And this del V, it is called as gradient of potential. It is measured in volts per meter. Now we define a three-dimensional electric field vector and potential function as shown in equation 3 and 4. In equation 3, Ex, Ey, Ez are the components of electric field along the x, y and z direction respectively. And in equation 4, the potential function, that is function of x, y and z, is shown. Now we put the values from equation 2, 3 and 4 into equation 1. And after doing the partial differentiation of the potential function, we obtain equation 5. On the left hand side, we have the components of electric field, but on the right hand side, we have the partial differentials of the potential function. Now we compare the coefficients of the unit vectors on both sides of equation 5 and write them separately. On comparing the I unit vector, we obtain x component of the electric field, and it is equal to minus partial derivative of potential function with respect to x. Similarly, the comparison of j unit vector on both sides of the equation 5 gives us the y component of electric field, and it is equal to minus partial derivative of potential with respect to y. Similarly, on comparing the z component, that is k unit vector, we obtain the z component of electric field, and it is equal to minus partial derivative of potential with respect to z. Ex, Ey, Ez, these are the components of electric field, but we are interested to find the electric field vector. Therefore, we will put the values of these components in the expression of vector field to get what the electric field is. So this was our aim, that how we calculate electric field for a given potential function. Now we apply it for a given potential function. Let's suppose we have a three-dimensional potential function given by equation 5. This potential is equal to x square times z plus x times y times z. In order to find the components of electric field, we differentiate this equation 5 with respect to x, y and z in order to get the x component, y component and the z component of electric field respectively. Therefore, x component of electric field is equal to minus partial derivative of potential, that is V, with respect to x. So on differentiating the equation 5 with respect to x, we get minus 2 times x times z minus y times z. Similarly, the y component of electric field, that is equal to minus partial derivative of potential with respect to y. So partial differentiation of equation 5 with respect to y gives us minus x times z. And likewise, we can calculate the z component of the electric field, that is equal to minus partial derivative of potential with respect to z. This differentiation gives us minus x square minus xy. Now we have the three components. We will put these components in the expression of electric field vector as shown in equation 2. So putting these values in equation 2 and taking minus sign as common, we have the expression for the electric field vector. So this is the method. If we are given some potential, we can find the electric field vector easily by partial differentiating the potential function with respect to x, y and z. If we are given potential function in Cartesian coordinates, that is in terms of x, y and z, if the potential function is given in cylindrical coordinates or in spherical coordinates, we will define the components of electric fields according to the given coordinates.